All right, we made it to Uzbekistan.
To me it tastes a bit like tomato sauce.
This is so cool. There is some Uzbek tension here. It's gonna be an enjoyable ride. We are class 3. That means that the train is quite full. I'm a bit anxious. Let's see how it's gonna be like. Look at it. That is one heck of an experience.
Okay.
This is gonna be our bed for the evening. We just set it up. So we have settled. It's been around an hour that we are moving now. We have made our beds. We have made ourselves comfortable. It's dark outside. We still have 14 hours to go. But the vibes are good. I will show you a sneak peek of how the train looks like. We have Andrea. We have everybody here prepared for the night. Yeah, it's not that bad. And yeah, it's gonna be a long night, but we'll make it. This is the toilet setup. Hello, few hours in. I made myself quite comfortable right now. I've been reading. Everybody's pretty comfortable here as well. And yeah, I think it's gonna be a fun night. I'm also getting a little bit tired, so I think in the next hour or so I might get some sleep. Good morning. I've slept surprisingly well, to be honest. I think I did a full 7-hour sleep. It's 7:30 and a man was passing by selling some bread. Of course I got some. We still have around 3 hours to reach our final destination, the city of Andijan. I know, like when we've been taking a small stroll around and everything seems very, very ex-Soviet-like. We taxi to the city of Margilan for the main silk factory here, Yodgorlik.
We visited the silk factory in Margilan, where we learned about the entire silk production process, from the silkworm cocoons to the finished fabric. It was fascinating to see the skilled artisans at work and learn about the history and culture of silk in Uzbekistan.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is our semi-last day in the city of Tashkent and in the country of Uzbekistan. And although we had completely different plans for today, like hiking and going into the mountains and doing a little bit of more active things around, unfortunately the weather was not very kind to us. We spent the morning chilling a little bit and doing some spa. And now for closing the afternoon we came to Minor Mosque, or else known as White Mosque. There is a specific section here for women. I'm definitely going in here and then I want to go to the main mosque. Apparently here you come and you wash before you move to the main mosque for women. Do you speak English?
Yeah.
Can I enter? Yes. Thank you. I didn't film, but I have a photo for you. And now going to the minor mosque, approved by the guard. I can enter. Raining outside. I'm not sure for where to enter. saying goodbye now, and off we go to explore the metro stations of Tashkent. Apparently, it's a thing doing that here because all of the metro stations have their own personality and characteristics, and they're very beautiful. So we're gonna do some of them. To enter the station. Station number 4, Mustagali Zanyol, and again a lot of chandeliers on the ceiling. Very pretty, very clean. What I do find very disturbing though is that there is not a single dustbin. Station number 5. Station number 6, Pachtakor. I think we had a good glimpse of the train stations. We have one last more on the list.
No, one last line.
Station number, I lost count of which one it is. I like it quite a lot. It has these drawings of somehow dystopian realities. Lines. We went to all 3 of them. Well, basically there is a 4th one which is a continuation of the 3rd one. Leaving the metro now entirely. Going now for some night tea and meeting some friends here in Tashkent. Good morning from Chernakent. We have arrived 2 hours away from Tashkent, and we are going to attempt to climb the small Shimgan. We have a good gang with us.
Andrea.
Justin.
Just hi.
Oh my God.
Ready to go. Justin said it's gonna be a little bit hard in the beginning. Already started taking some layers off because it's hot, hot, hot. Mountains. I came to my favorite restaurant so far. Those are the noodles and the horse meat, and they serve it usually with soup. You can either add this in the soup or the other way around and enjoy a delicious Central Asian dish. A cultural Uzbek opera. This was it, guys. Our time in Uzbekistan is over. We are boarding our plane back to Warsaw and then back to our home place. Flight is almost full. Uzbekistan was great. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next trip. Bye.